Hey folks, Adam here from Elite Demonstrations. We're looking at this. It's the new SnapFresh 20 volt 2 amp leaf blower and garage sweep. So let's go ahead and check it out and kick it off. So let me go ahead and show you some use footage and tell you about the advantages to this fantastic device. First off, it is extremely lightweight. I can carry it around. Pretty much it's not heavier than a finger, and that makes a big difference if you're out working in the yard. Guess what? This is going to make a difference in terms of your overall fatigue. On top of that, has a rubberized handle. This rubberized handle is easy on the skin, and it's again not going to fatigue your skin. You're not going to get chafe or anything there. Then it has two powerful settings. And when I used my decibel reader, it was about 74, I believe, decibels, which is about the volume of human speaking. And that's a nice aspect because you don't want to have to wear ear protection every time you use something. A lot of these guys are really rough on your ears.